Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amardeep Mishra and I'm your aptitude trainer. This video is in continuation of divisibility rule and in this video we are going to practice two good questions on divisibility rule. On divisibility rule by 2, 3 and 5. Okay. Now this is the first question. I had given this question in the previous video for you guys to solve. Now, in this video, I'm going to solve this question for you. Now, the question is if 3, 4, 5, 6x is divisible by 15, then find the possible values of x. Okay, then find the possible values of x. Now, again, the condition is x is a single digit whole number. Okay, that is the by default condition you have to keep in mind. Even if they have not given the same in the question, you have to keep it in your mind that x is a single digit whole number. Now, the number is divisible by 15. For divisibility rule by 15, we don't have as such any single rule, any specific separate rule for divisibility by 15. So 15 is what? 3 into 5. Okay. So if a number is divisible by 15, that means the number is divisible by 3 and 5 both. The number is divisible by 3 and 5 both. Okay. So if this number is divisible by 5, so the possible values of x could be either 0 or 5. Okay. There are only two possible values of x, either 0 or 5. Right? But this number is also divisible by 3. So the digit sum would be 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus x. This is the digit sum. So 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. So 18 plus x. Okay. Now, what should be the minimum value of x so that this digit sum gets divisible by 3? So the minimum possible value of x would be 0. Because if I take x equals to 0, this will be, digit sum will be 18 plus 0, that is 18. Okay. Now 18 is divisible by 3. Okay. So the x value equals to 0. It is a possible value. It is an accepted value. You can take it. Now, if you move forward, the next value of x would be 0 plus 3. That would be 3. Okay. The next possible value of x would be 3. So 18 plus 3, the digit sum in that case would be 18 plus 3, that is 21. So x value 3 is also possible. Similarly, next value of x would be what? 3 plus 3, that is 6. Okay. And the next possible value of x would be 6 plus 3, 9. So these are the 4 possible values of x if this number is divisible by 3. But the problem here is the number is divisible by 5 also. Okay. So if you take the common values of x from here and here, so there's only one common value of x, that is x equals to 0. X equals to 0 is fulfilling both the condition. Okay. X equals to 0 is fulfilling the condition of divisibility by 5 as well as divisibility by 3. Okay. So if this number is divisible by 15, then only one value of x is possible, that is 0. Getting it? I hope this is clear. If this is not clear to you, you can put your doubt in the comment box, or you can rewind the video and again watch it. Okay. Now the next question is this. If a number 642x5y is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then find all the possible pairs of x, y, given that x and y are single digit whole numbers. Okay, they have given this condition already. Now, this is a very good question. It is a lengthy question. Maybe these type of questions would not be asked to you in the exams, but still the concept must be clear. Okay. So pause the video for a moment and try to solve the question on your own. Okay. So if okay, this number is 642x5y. So this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So to make it divisible by 2, if this number 642x5y, this is divisible by 2, to make it divisible by 2, the possible values of y would be what? Y would be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the possible values of y. Because y has to be an even number, either 0 or 2 or 4, 6 or 8. Right? Okay. Now, suppose if I take the case 1. Case 1, taking the value of y equals to 0. So if I take y equals to 0, the number will become 642x50. Okay. Now, you find out the digit sum of this number. Digit sum would be what? 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus x plus 5 plus 0. Okay. So 6, 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, and 12 plus 5, 17. So 17 plus x, this is coming out to be a digit sum. Now, this digit sum has to be divisible by 3. Because they have given that this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. So the condition of divisibility by 2 you have taken already, that the possible values of y would be either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Right? So we will solve this question case by case. Case 1, when y equals to 0. For y equals to 0, you will have several values of x. So from here, you will get some pairs of x comma y. Okay. So 17 plus x. What can be what is the minimum possible value of x to make it divisible by 3? If I take x equals to 1. So digit sum will become 17 plus 1, 18. Okay, this is the first possible value of x. Second possible value of x would be this 1 plus 3, that is 4. Okay, then digit sum will become 17 plus 4, 21. Next possible value of x would be what? This 4 plus 3, that is 7. And 17 plus 7, that is 24. Okay. So for y equals to 0, you have three values of x, that is 1, 4, and 7. So the pairs of x comma y would be what? 1, 0, I mean x comma y, 1, 0, then 4, 0, and then this 7, 0, right? Okay. So for y equals to 0, you got three pairs of x comma y. For y equals to 0, you got three pairs of x comma y, that is 1, 0, 4, 0, and 7, 0. Similarly, you can find out for all the values of y, for 2, for 4, for 6, for 8. Let us solve all the cases one by one. So if I take for case 2, I'll take y equals to 2. So for y equals to 2, the number will become what? 6, 4, 2x, 5, 2. And digit sum will become what? 19 plus x, right? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus x. So for 19 plus x, what can be the value of x so that this digit sum gets divisible by 3? So the value of x would be 2, then 5, and then 8. Okay. So if you take 2, this digit sum will become 19 plus 2, 21, which is divisible by 3. If you take 5, so 19 plus 5, 24. If you take x value 8, this will become 19 plus 8, that is 27. So three more pairs you will get from here, x comma y. Okay, so x, if the value of x is 2, so pair would be 2, 2. If the value of x is 5, so pair would be 5, 2. And third pair would be, next pair would be 8, 2. Okay, so three more pairs you got here. Now, the next value of y is 4. So if you take y equals to 4, case 3, y equals to 4. For y equals to 4, the number will become what? 642x54. 642x54. Okay, so the digit sum will become 21 plus x. That is 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 5, that is 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus x. Now, for this digit sum, the values of x would be x equals to 0, x equals to 3, x equals to 6, and x equals to 9. If you take 0, digit sum will become 21 plus 0, 21. If you take x equals to 3, the digit sum will become 21 plus 3, that is 24. If you take x equals to 6, the digit sum will become 21 plus 6, that is 27. And if you take x equals to 9, the digit sum will become 21 plus 9, that is 30. Okay. So I can say from here you got 4 possible values of x. That means 4 pairs of x comma y. So first pair would be 0 comma 4. I mean x value 0 and y value 4. Second pair would be 3 comma 4. Third pair would be this 6 comma 4. And fourth pair would be this 9 comma 4, right? So 4 pairs you got here from y equals to 4. Now, if you take x equals to 6 and x equals to 8, let us solve these two cases quickly. Case 4, if you take, if you take y equals to 6, not x. If you take y equals to 6. So for y equals to 6, the number will become what? 6, 4, 2, x, 5, 6. Okay, the number will become like this. So digit sum would be 23 plus x. For this, the values of x would be what? 1, x equals to 4, and x equals to 7. So 3 values from here, that means 3 pairs. 1, 6, 4, 6, and 7, 6. These 3 pairs you will get. And last case, if you take case 5th, if you take y equals to 8, then the number will become what? 6, 4, 2, x, 5, 8. So digit sum will become 25 plus x. Okay. So this is the digit sum. So here, what values of x can you take so that this digit sum gets divisible by 3? So the first value of x would be 2, then x would be 5. I mean 2 plus 3, 5. Next value of x would be 8. That means 3 more pairs you will get from here. 2, 8, 5, 8, and 8, 8. So total how many pairs of x, y you are getting? So 3 here, 6, 4 here, 10. Okay, 3 here, 10, 3, 13, and 3 here, 16. That means total such pairs are how many? They are 16. Okay, I hope it is clear. Although these type of questions might not be asked to you in the exam, but still the concept must be clear to you. Okay, so these were 2 good practice questions on the divisibility test by 2, 3, and 5. I hope these are clear to you. If you like the video, then do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to the channel for more such useful videos. Thank you so much for watching it.